Today we discuss exercise 4.3. Sum number first is draw the graph of each of the following linear equations in two variables. Here four linear equations in two variables are given. So see the first sum, that is x plus y is equal to 4. First part, we have to draw the graph of this linear equations. How will you do it? To draw the graph of a linear equation, we have to find firstly at least three solutions. How many? At least three solutions. At least three solutions. So see the first, here x plus y is equal to 4. Y is in left side or x is in also left side. So take the one variable in right side. Yes, x is equal to 4. Yes, see, when we will take one variable in right side, we have to change the sign. Here the y is positive. So when we will take in right side, the sign of y is changed. That is 4 minus y. Now put any value on a y place. So put first y is equal to 1, x is equal to 4 minus 1, that x is equal to 3. It's a one solution. So but we have to find at least 3. So now see, the second is we have to put x or a y is 0. Why? Y is 0. See, we have to put 0 because when we have draw the graph, जब हम graph draw करेंगे, we have to find the point of intersection of a given linear equation x plus y is equal to में 4. So for this we have to put once x is 0 or once y is 0. So to find intersection point where the line meet on x-axis and y-axis, what we have put, x is 0 and y is 0. So now put x is equal to 0. X is 0 in this. 0 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. Now again put y is 4. That is x is equal to 4 minus y. It means 4 minus 0. X is 4. Now in tabular form we can write this solution. In tabular form we can write these three solutions. X, y. On x place, first see, on x place value is 3. On y place value is 1. Next is on x place value is 0. Y is 4. Next third is on x place 4 and y is 0. Now we have to draw the graph. For this we have firstly draw the coordinate plane. That is this. Yes, this is positive x-axis, so denoted as capital X. This is negative x-axis, denoted as x dash. This also y positive and this also y dash negative. And this is origin. So now assign the values 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. Here is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here we have to extend the values because we found this solution. So now see, first is x is 3. On x place 3, y is 1. That's it, this point. Write the point 3 and 1. Abscissa is 3. Ordinate is 1. X is 0. X 0. Y is 4. That is this. X is 0, y is 4. Next, x is 4, y is 0. Extend these values. Now join these 3 points to get the graph of the given linear equation, that is x plus y is equal to 4. Be careful when you have draw any graph. जब भी आप कोई ग्राफ बनाएं, यू हैव टू राइट द लीनियर इक्वेशन x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू में 4 और एनी लीनियर इक्वेशन, और ऑल्सो यू हैव टू मेंशन these 3 solutions that you found first. So this is the required graph of the given linear equation x plus y is equal to में 4.